Understanding the differences between insurance claims and personal injury lawsuits is crucial when dealing with a situation where someone has been injured. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. Number one, nature and process. An insurance claim is typically the first step in seeking compensation for an injury. It involves filing a claim with an insurance company, either your own or the at-fault party's insurer. The process includes submitting evidence of the injury and damages, negotiating with the insurance adjuster, and agreeing on a settlement amount. A personal injury lawsuit is a legal action taken in court. It occurs when the injured party, plaintiff, files a suit against the person or entity responsible for their injury, defendant. This step is often taken if a satisfactory settlement cannot be reached through the insurance claim process. Number two, involvement of legal and judicial systems. Insurance claims are usually handled out of court, involving negotiation directly with insurance companies. Lawyers can be involved, but the process does not require a judge or jury. Personal injury lawsuits require the filing of a case in court, and the outcome is decided by a judge or jury. Legal representation is highly recommended due to the complexity of court proceedings. Number three, time frame and complexity. Insurance claims are quicker and less complex than lawsuits. The time frame for resolution can be from a few weeks to several months. On the other hand, personal injury lawsuits are typically more time-consuming and complex, potentially lasting for years. The process includes pretrial activities, discovery phase, trial, and possibly appeals. Number four, compensation and damages. With insurance claims, the settlement amount is often limited by the policy limits of the insurance policy. Compensation might include medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Whereas with personal injury lawsuits, these can sometimes receive larger compensation as they are not limited by insurance policy limits. Damages can include medical bills, lost income, pain and suffering, and sometimes punitive damages. Number five, negotiation and settlement. With insurance claims, settlements are often reached through negotiation, aiming for a quick and mutually agreeable resolution. With personal injury lawsuits, these can be settled out of court at any time during the process. If no settlement is reached, the case goes to trial for a verdict. Number six, public record. Insurance claims are private negotiations and not part of the public record. But personal injury lawsuits, once a lawsuit is filed, it becomes a matter of public record. Number seven, legal representation. When you have an insurance claim, legal representation is optional, but can be beneficial, especially in complex cases. However, with a personal injury lawsuit, legal representation is highly recommended due to the legal complexities involved in court proceedings. In summary, insurance claims are typically the initial step for seeking compensation and are less formal and quicker than lawsuits. Personal injury lawsuits are more complex, involve the court system, and potentially offer greater compensation, but require more time and legal expertise. If you have been injured due to little or no fault of your own, call our office now.